Hi, welcome back to my channel. Last weekend, I made 2 cakes for a joint birthday celebration. One for Ethan, who turned 20, and the other for V, who turned 19. Let's get started. First, I colored the fondant with an ivory or light brown shade. This was for the faces, as requested by V. I made 2 balls for the ears. Then I used my fondant tool to press an indentation for the ear holes. For the hair, I used black fondant divided into 3 sections, and I used a fondant tool to create a hair strand effect. Next, I made 2 eyes from small black fondant circles, then added the nose and a smiley mouth. Since Ethan wears glasses, I made the glasses by cutting out 2 circles using 2 different sized piping tips. I did the same for V's face. 2 ivory ears, 2 black eyes, and a nose, mouth, and eyebrows. And for her hair, I created 2 long strands at the front sides of the face. Here I'm making the numbers from red fondant, number 20 and number 19. I also wanted the cake board to have some nice texture, so I used a floral pattern mat to give it a prettier look. For the cakes, one was a 5-inch red velvet with cream cheese filling, since Ethan loves red velvet. And the other was a 5-inch green tea sponge cake with green tea buttercream, because V loves green tea. They didn't need a big cake, as this was just a simple party for 12 guests, so this size was perfect. I covered both cakes in Swiss meringue buttercream, chilled them in the fridge for 15 minutes, then added another layer of buttercream to smooth everything out. Now it's time to place the cakes on the board side by side. I added the happy birthday message. Placed the fondant faces on top and finish with a touch of edible blush. And here we go, the cakes for Ethan and V's birthday celebration. Thanks for watching and see you next time.